Hello friends, today we will know about the diseases of throat and respiratory system. These diseases are tonsillitis, cough, cold, asthma, breathlessness, inflammation of lungs. These are caused because of air pollution, hot to cold seasonal temperament, oily food, constipation, smoking, very sore and spicy food, unhygienic food, excess consumption of alcohol, anxiety, worrying, tobacco, etc. And the solution for this is साथ में आहार means a balanced diet, निदान perversion means avoiding those diseases causing factors which are going to create symptoms. दोष साथ में means balancing the doshas, धातु पुष्टि means energizing the dhatus, and rasayana karma with kafagna and ushnavirya property. By taking the guidance of Ayurvedic doctor and using Ayurvedic lifestyle, you can come out of these diseases. You can come out of this immunity related problems.